Nathan, do you know the guys at Stink at Stuff and Things Inc.
Uh-uh.
at all? They
They're
are
good dudes.
they're good dudes, and they're friends with Gideon. We shared a shot show booth with them this year, and they are kind of on the forefront of 3D printing stuff, and
Are they
the
doing
things that
metal?
they do, the things that they don't have metal sintering going on yet, but the things that they do with 3D printing don't look 3D printed. If you were to look at it, even with a practiced and trained eye, you know what 3D printed stuff looks like. You
Uh-huh.
would swear that this stuff is injection molded and not 3D printed because the quality is that good.